This is an Alberta emergency alert. Alberta RCMP has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Central Alberta. Rocky Mountain House RCMP have issued an Amber Alert for a female child, abducted today at 2:56 p.m., near the O'Cheese Marketplace. The abducted child, Jaislyn Strawberry, age 4, was wearing a purple coat and a ponytail in her hair. Jaislyn was taken by her father, Michael McInnaugh, who is 38 years old, 5 feet 8 inches, heavy build, wearing a gray Under Armour t-shirt and black Under Armour pants. Michael was last seen driving a gold 2007 Dodge Caravan, Alberta license plate CKM 9888, traveling northbound on O'Cheese Road from the marketplace. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the Rocky Mountain House RCMP at 403-845-2881 or your local police agency if you have any information regarding this Amber Alert.